नमस्तुभ्यम नमाम्यहम मम सहोदर। हे आर्य राष्ट्र के रहने वाले मेरे हम उम्र भाइयों, आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार है, स्वागत है आप सभी का। ऑल द माय ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स, आई सैल्यूट यू that you want to know about your health. You want healthy. But what is the system by which we may healthy? It is the main role to be healthy. Because modern science always talks about the disease, about the bacteria, virus. But Ayurveda says that this is not the fact that the virus and bacteria are the reason of the disease. Virus and bacteria take born after dosage. This Ayurveda says. Ayurveda says that the life is composed of three factors. It means the life is the combination of three factors such as Sarira, Mana and Atma. Atma is non-pathogenic in nature. But Sarir and Man are the main part of the disease. They have the main role about disease in our health. Ayurveda says that Shariram Sattvajam cha Vyadhinam Asrayo Matah. The living body is a combination of dosha, dhatu, malaha, and these are the basic elements of it. Ayurveda says that when we are suffering from disease, nothing bacteria, nothing virus. They say that malaha, dhatu and dosaha, if these are imbalanced, then we say that you are suffering by disease. It may be another. Name may be others. So many types of the names of disease are there. But the main basic thing, which is the cause of the disease, they are the dosha, dhatu and mala in unbalanced condition. When they are in balance, then we say that you are healthy. And when they are in balance, then we say that you are suffering by disease. According to this, always I treat my patient BP, cervical, migraine, constipation, amenorrhea, diarrhea, depression, infertility, impotency and diabetes, cancer and HIV. These are also the unbalanced condition of a dosha, dhatu and malaha. So we say that we can cure the BP within 1 day or 2 days. No need for long time treatment. According to allopathy, when you use the BP medicine, after some time we are suffering heart attack or depression, paralysis, or maybe brain tumor and brain hemorrhage due to the medicine of the BP which we are eating for control the BP. But we have to know that what is the main reason of the BP. It may be mind, it may be your body structure, your fooding system, it may be the vata, pitta and kapha, it may be the mind trouble. So we should cure the mind we should cure the sharir. So, in the body, two type of are sharik dosha and mansik dosha. What is the reason of the BP? Sharik dosha or mansik dosha? When, yani I meant related to the body, that is the sharik dosha. Related to mind, that is the mansik dosha. We should know that in your body, when you are suffering by the BP, is this related by body? I means your fooding system. I means your vata, pitta and kapha. And if your BP is related by the mind, it may be the reason of the depression. It may be the reason of angerness. And so many mind troubles may be the reason of the BP. When they don't know what is the main reason, how can they say that you shouldn't use the medicine for a long time? So, they always give the medicine for the BP and to eat that medicine. After some times, we are suffering by heart attack, brain hemorrhage, paralysis, migraine or cervical. It may be the reason of the Parkinson's also, Alzheimer's also. So these all medicine are due to the medicine which we are taking for the BP. I am telling you that there are two types of elements which is the reason of the disease in imbalanced condition, that is the sharik dosha related by body, mansik dosha related by the mind. Sharirik dosha are three types: vata, pitta and kapha. Vata means indigestion, pitta means heat, and kapha means cold. Have a very important role in the maintenance of the health of the individual. When they are in the homogeneous state, when they are in balanced stage, we can say that you are healthy. And when they are in imbalanced condition, then we say that we are suffering by the sharik dosha, I means body, according to the body. We say that we are suffering by the mind dosha, I means apsamara, I means the angerness, stress, these are the mind dosha. And sharik dosha is the fever, pain, diabetes, BP, migraine, cervical, these are all the sharik dosha. And the mala, etc. also. Mal, etc. Any another things may be affected can affect in your body. So, after tridosha, Ayurveda says that trigunaha, because these are the three doshas, which and when they are in balanced stage, we can say that you are healthy, and when they are in balanced stage, we can say that you are suffering by disease. And after that, we should know about the trigunaha, because dosha also affected by the triguna. Trigunas means tribuddha, khalu, sattva, rajasa, tamasa. These three types of the guna can affect our body, can affect our mind. But we don't know what is sattva, what is rajas, what is tamas, because these Psyche of three types of sattva, raja, tama in nature, the three components remains in balanced stage. The term the triguna is also the main factor of your healthy body and your healthy mind. So, when we want to know about the triguna, then we should know that is what is sattva. And Ayurveda said that when there is a pitta, then we can say it is sattva. Because in our body, the sense of a constituents, I mean, we take the sensation, it is important to know that the triguna constitutes of the prakriti. We say that your vatas, pittas and kaphas, this is the prakriti. And those is also, when one vata is affected, that is one dosha, ekaj dosha. When there are do dosha, we can say that dvidoshaja. When three dosha, then we say that this is three dosha. These dosas also, vata, pitta and kapha is also affected by the sattva, raja and tamaha. What is in sattva? When your body heat is in good condition, then we can say that it is sattva prakriti. And in rajas, vata and pitta, in rajas and tamas mein, that we say that this is the kapha. So according to Ayurveda, we should know that what is your problem, and that problem is due to the vata, pitta and kapha, sharik dosha and mansik dosha. This is affected by sattva, raja and tama. After then we can treat very easily. Veda science, I mean Ayurveda, always think about these doshas, dhatus, malas. So, Ayurveda always say that samadosha, samagani, samadhatu mal kriyas, prasannatma indriya, swasthiti abhidhiyate. What is the healthy body? When they are in balanced stage, samadosha, dosha are in balance. Samadhatu, all the dhatus, rasa, rakta, mansa, med, asthi, maj and shukar, these all the dhatus. And malas go flush out by the anus, urinary bladder and your skin as sweetness. When this was out, we can say that samadosha, samagani, samadhatu, malakriyas, and then after you are healthy. So if you want to healthy, if you want good life, good mind and good body structure, then you should always depend on Ayurveda, depend on nature. You should depend on the lifestyle and the healthy food. We never use the non-veg. We should be vegetarian. Nowadays, I can say that this is the corona days. The corona is also affected on those peoples, those who always takes the veg, they are non-veg. In where they are vegetarian, there is no effect of corona. Where the people are of non-veg, they are affected by the corona. Because so many scientists, so many doctors always say that for the immune system, you should take the non-veg. but that was wrong, because non-veg never gives the immunity power in your body. When you are vegetarian, you will get more power to fight the disease. I mean, for your immune system. If you want a good immune system, always should vegetarian, should take the milk, should take the ghee. The people, those who are taking the ghee, doodh, and are the vegetarian, there is no effect of corona. And all the world now suffering by the corona. In their areas, the people, you can also think what type of are people affected by the corona. But in India, no effect. There is some effect where the people are taking the non-veg. But in that areas where the people always takes the ghee, doodh, and they are vegetarian, we can say they are safe, because they have good immune system. So if you want to immune system, if you want to the power of disease, then you should vegetarian. Always should vegetarian. You should never use, never be non-veg. Okay? Thank you. If you want to know about any disease, you are seeing the numbers following in your screen. You can contact me. When I will free, then I will call you, and after then I will tell you what type of disease and why this disease is affect your body. What is the reason? And when you will destroy the reason, there will be no disease, no diabetes, no sugar, no migraine, no cervical, constipation, stress, impotency, any type of medicine, any type of disease, you can never affected. You should be healthy and prosperous. Okay, thank you.
वैद्य जी से आप रोज़ाना मिल सकते हैं रोहतक में सुबह 5 बजे से 12 बजे तक, नज़दीक दिल्ली बाईपास, हुडा सेक्टर 1 की पुलिया के सामने ही यामाहा शोरूम के साथ, रोज़ाना सुबह 5 बजे से 12 बजे तक। और दिल्ली नांगलोई में, नांगलोई मेट्रो स्टेशन के नीचे ही पार्किंग के साथ मेट्रो बाज़ार में शाम 1 बजे से 5 बजे तक। एडवांस बुकिंग के लिए आप फ़ोन कीजिए 8595299299 7428299299।